All right, Lisa, you ready for this one?
Yeah. Whoa, that thing is huge.
Look at this thing.
That's a beast.
This is a beast.
I don't think that would fit in my kitchen.
These are air fryers, large countertop appliances with a bold promise. Perfectly fried food using very little oil.
Now, we're not shy about frying in the test kitchen, but it takes cups or even quarts of oil. So if we could find something that did it with less oil, faster, and with less mess, we'd be interested.
So, do these things actually work? To find out, we tested 9, priced from $60 all the way up to $250.
And to find our winner, we rated them on 3 main categories: cooking, ease of use, and cleanup. So here's what we found out. So one thing I really like about these is that you don't have to preheat them before you can start cooking. You just put the food in, turn it on, and you're in business. So
Definitely, that shaves off what, like 10 to 15 minutes?
sometimes, yeah, definitely.
Also, like, these are basically small countertop convection ovens, so you don't have to turn your big oven on. If it's a hot day, you don't want to heat up your whole house. These give off much less heat.
Okay, so I'm putting my fries in. Nice, good sized basket. We got some Brussels sprouts. Those look nice.
Ooh, crispy. I like them crispy.
Yeah, you can even hear how crispy they are. Yeah, they're hot, but not crazy. Ding. They're good.
Really good. Oh my God, I double dipped. Woo.
Whoa, those look really good. Wow, they're like potato chips.
They're really crispy. They're delicious.
This has like a little wand in here that
rotates
pushes stuff around. They're off the heating element because they're standing up and they're rolling over, and there's nothing over there. There's one fry on that side.
Look at them getting broken in half. Look at that.
Yeah, those are really sad. I don't like it. It doesn't smell good. Oh!
Burning plastic, burning hair. I don't know, how do you describe that?
God, you can smell it on the food. Can you taste it?
I would eat a French fry off the ground. I have very low standards. I would not eat these.
We were kind of hoping it wasn't going to come out in the food, but you can totally taste it, unfortunately.
All right, so we were really surprised. These things all cooked really well.
Except for one of them.
Oh, yeah.
There was that one that really reeked, and we kept thinking it was going to go away. The manufacturer said it would go away after 1 or 2 times. It was still there after 9 rounds of testing.
Aside from that one, these things are actually pretty awesome. They're not gonna make deep fried food, but they make really great food that's comparable to oven fried food. So here's where we stand after round 1.
Oh my God, look at all this stuff in here. Ooh, we're gonna play bingo later. This thing, which is like Game of Thrones.
More is not always better. Points for simplicity. This guy kind of has an R2-D2 vibe to him, doesn't he?
Totally. Oh, look at the way the whole thing tips. That's not good.
Oh God. Good drawer style design.
Yeah.
Nothing scary coming at us.
Look out.
It's one of these open top. Is
This
that
one doesn't
there?
pop all the way up. This stays like right there.
Ow, that's hot.
Seems like 1,000 pictures on
Oh,
here.
God.
Just a drumstick.
But
Okay,
is
well, I turned it on somehow.
Chicken or turkey? We don't know. It's not very intuitive at all.
It's nice and wide. I'll give it
Easy to
that.
dump food in. Yeah, we'll say. There you go.
Yeah,
very
this is
basic,
pretty strippy. Yeah, basic.
old school.
Yeah, not hating it. So this was the round that really separated the winners from the losers. Ease of use.
Yep. 3 things mattered. We liked drawers over flip-top models. We preferred simple digital controls and smaller footprints. This one from Philips right here actually got a perfect score in this round. Let's check out the standings for ease of use.
Talk about no mess. There's like nothing going on in there. A couple little crumbs.
It's nice that it's non-stick.
I love that you can get in the corners and it comes right out. Oh, look at it. It's shredding the sponge. This one's not bad.
Pretty sturdy.
Non-stick, pretty basic. That paddle doesn't come out, right? It's bolted in. So I have to like chase that around and clean under it? No.
Simpler is better. Sturdy is best. Non-stick is key.
Yep. So we realized if these things are hard to clean, you're never gonna use them. We looked for simple, sturdy, non-stick parts, in and out, you're done. Some of these had like up to 11 pieces. They were real fussy, they were a pain in the neck, so those were not good.
All right, so that was round 3, cleanup. Can we tell them where the winner is?
Yes. Drum roll, please. Ta-da, it was the Philips digital air fryer. It's got everything we were looking for. It has the drawer style. It has the controls that are very simple and intuitive and effortless to use. And it had a really nice small compact footprint, just 14 inches. It prices out around $250.
If that's not in your budget, we also like a cheaper model. The Go Wise over there, it's $75. It's a little bigger, the controls weren't quite as intuitive, but it also made great food and had that nice drawer-style design that we really liked. For the full results, if you want to check out all the info and all the models, we put a link to our review below. We also put a link to our cookbook because after testing, we liked these things so much, we went and wrote a whole cookbook about them. So for air fryer recipes, check out that link below.